I don't know what to say. I'm super excited. We are 2 minutes away from the dealership and I am about to pick up my Subaru. You guys do not understand. I hope you can hear me. I don't have my mic on, but I'm super excited to go pick up this vehicle. Yeah, I don't know how to act right now. I feel like a little kid who's about to get a puppy. That was an old Subaru. I'm just kidding. I feel like a little kid who's about to get a puppy. I have like all the nervous butterflies and excitement in my stomach. So I am ready. So here we go. I need this light to go finally. We're literally like 3 lights away. So super close. Yay, 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 yay. All right, bye. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, everyone. Hold on, I gotta turn the radio off. I have it! I'm in my new Subaru. I'm so fucking excited. This is super dangerous. Do not drive in video. I don't have my setup ready yet. And this is a crazy ass street, so forgive me. I will let you see me trying to get the hell out of the dealership. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, we're coming in fucking hot. Let's do this. Oh, he's over there. I guess we're not coming in super hot. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited! Okay, so it is lower than the Denali, but man, it drives and feels so good. I absolutely love it. It has a nice get up and go. A really nice, sorry, it has a really nice get up and go. I'm trying to watch the road and not watch you guys. I'm in Mexico, by the way, driving this recklessly. But I'm so excited. This is amazing. It smells so good. I just have that new car smell. Fuck yeah. Sorry. Excuse the language. I'm just excited. All right. I will see you guys in the next video, or I'll be back. I don't know what to do. Okay. Bye.